Welcome. Please subscribe and press bell icon for our more videos. Black undergarments for night aren't just functional, they can also be a fashion statement. Whether you prefer comfort or style, there's something for everyone when it comes to black undergarments. For a classic and timeless look, you can't go wrong with a simple black bralette and matching panties. This look is perfect for those who want to keep it understated yet elegant. The soft fabric and minimalistic design make it comfortable for all-night wear. If you're looking for something with a little more edge, try out a black lace bodysuit. This piece is perfect for those who want to make a statement while still feeling comfortable. The intricate lace details and sultry design make it the perfect choice for a night out. For those who prefer something a little more cozy, a black satin slip is a must-have. This luxurious and silky fabric feels amazing against the skin and is perfect for snuggling up on the couch. Pair it with a matching robe for the ultimate loungewear look. Finally, if you're feeling bold and daring, try out a black leather bustier. This piece is not for the faint of heart but is perfect for those who want to make a statement. The sleek and sexy design will turn heads wherever you go. So there you have it, some black undergarments for night and fashion that will make you look and feel amazing. Whether you prefer classic elegance or bold statements, there's something for everyone. Which look will you be